This 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3440BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. This used Forest River is 38 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, oven, spare tire kit, microwave, refrigerator, self-contained, auxiliary battery, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, Skylight, DVD player, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3440BH is 11,129 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Dakota RV, visit RVUSA.com.